you weren't in there as well. Oh dear. Right. Play with your toys and not really not meant to. Oh, I'll go and play with the traffic, see if I can. No, come back. Come back. Right, look. Mummy says distraction therapy works. Right over there. That's right. No, anywhere but there. Yes, it's hilarious, isn't it? It's hilarious. Gems? Gemma? Oh, let's just rock like lunatics, shall we? Let's all rock like lunatics. Where are you doing? Where are you going, Gemsy? Gemma? Oh, you're just going to sit on there, are you? Because that's the really uncomfortable part of the floor. I mean, why sit on the carpet when you've got a nice cold bit of hard marble to sit on? Yes. Oh, you're not going fast enough, Katie. That's what you've got to do with Evie. She likes being pulled by a tail.
She doesn't.
Yes, it bang Evie on the head and then followed by a tail. That's it. You're going to attack Grandad. 1, 2, 3. Hey, come and like me.